Oh Burger, you are such a sweet and juicy boyfriend.
Oh thank you Cola, you are such a refreshing and cold girlfriend. We will be together forever and ever.
Agreed. I love you so much. Do you love me too?
Yes of course sweetie.
Well, can you say it for me then?
Oh gee, I don't know
Well, go on then, tell me.
ILLLOVVVEA2.
No. I love you, say I love you. Ugh, you fattening beast of a burger, I never want to see you again.
Yeah you won't, because here comes a person to eat me right now. Oh well, it sucked knowing you, bye.